Hello, everyone. Once again, welcome in our energy transformation series of self transformation. Yes, my dear friends, in this self transformation series, wherein we imbibe a thought, keep it in our mind, and just leave it. The three basic steps to listen, at that moment, imbibe, and to leave it. By these three basic steps, we are experiencing the change in ourselves. Yes, my dear friends, by just one thought, by just one topic for the day, for few minutes listening is making a tremendous change in our thought process. It's actually transforming our life completely. And without any problems, without any hurdles, we are able to connect with ourselves. My dear friends, to know further details of this self-transformation series and to connect with further associate programs, you kindly go to the description box and see the details. So let's begin the day with a topic for the day. So the topic here in self-transformation series today we are sharing is be the yogi and experience the true happiness. Yes, my dear friends, we all have to be like an yogi. Now here yogi doesn't mean that you have to leave your house, you have to leave your work, you have to go somewhere in the forest or in jungle and do something apart from the way you are doing. No, my dear friends, we have to stay in the same family, we have to take over all our duties, but we have to experience the true happiness as a yogi. So first basic thing which will help you to be a yogi is to focus on all your problems area. Yes, the first basic step is to focus on all your problem area. It can be physical, it can be mental, it can be related to your workplace or to your relationships or to anything. It can be environment, it can be like these days of COVID situation. It can be any financial issue. It can be any situation in which you are right now stuck off. So first of all, we have to see all those big and small problems. We have to see all the cries of distress, all the distress area where I am stuck in today's time. Because once you know where your happiness is lacking, in which area it is lacking, then only you will work to experience the true happiness. See, my dear friends, if you don't know what you are looking for, then the entire life will be gone and you won't be getting anything. So to experience the true happiness, we have to first look the areas where my happiness is lacking, all my big and small problem area, the cries of distress, and now the next step what you have to do as a yogi. If you observe in yogi hand over everything to the Almighty. If we go in the past, in the ancient days, yogi used to even hand over everything, even the family, house, each and everything, even the body of the yogi also, he hand over to Almighty that you take care of the things. And that's why that happiness is there, that stillness is there, that achievement is there. So now the next step which we have to imbibe is that I am the master. I am master here means the little baby. We call the small baby or the small child as master. So we have to experience this that I am the master creator, which means that I am the child of that creator. Yes, this thought, only this thought will make you the yogi. Yes, my dear friends, it's so simple that just imbibe a thought that I am master creator. I am the child of that whole soul creation, the creator, and this thought will actually take you from all your worries and problems. See, my dear friends, if we know some renowned person in our life, suppose we know the minister of any state, suppose we know any great personality, so what we give an impression is that we say that he is with me, this work will be done. And we even inform others also. Same way, my dear friends, in this journey, when you come to know that you are the child of that Almighty, so he is the most powerful person, or the being, or the energy in today's time, then this feeling, this intention will help you to move ahead. Yes, my dear friends, this feeling will help you to move out from the crisis of distress to the wonders in your life. It will enable you with the words of wonder. It will take away all your sorrows and will be changing into great happiness. It will enable you to experience happiness in all the biggest calamities also. It will show all the biggest calamities as an entertaining scene. So, my dear friends, the basic step, the basic thing lies here. You just have to imbibe this and move ahead. You just have to focus it and move ahead and see the world, how it is changing. See yourself how you are taking the things so casually. See yourself that you have done a remarkable difference in your life. So, my dear friends, in today's series of self-transformation, the topic which we have experienced is be the yogi and experience the true happiness. So for today, practice this and for a minute, just with a blank mind, imbibe it and see the transformation which will help you to move ahead your life with more happiness. So to see you tomorrow with a new topic in this series of self-transformation. Till then, keep listening to our series. Thank you.